Listen and repeat. You will hear 7 sentences. Listen to each sentence carefully. After the beep, repeat the sentence out loud. You have 7 seconds.
Welcome to the campus bus station. Please check the schedule for your bus. You must show your student ID card to the driver. Buses arrive at this stop every 15 minutes. Please wait behind the yellow line for your safety. When you are ready to get off the bus, please pull the cord near the window to signal the driver. Make sure you have all of your personal items with you before you step off the bus at your stop.
Take an interview. An interviewer will ask you 4 questions on a single topic. Listen to each question carefully. After the beep, give your spoken answer. You have 30 seconds per question.
Thank you for joining me today. Please think back to a specific time you finished a book that left a strong impression on you, perhaps a story that made you cry, laugh, or change your mind about something. What was the book, and why did it affect you the way it did? People have very different habits when it comes to reading. Some people love to read every single day before bed, while others only read occasionally when they are on vacation or traveling. How do you usually approach reading in your daily life, and why do you think you have that particular habit? Now I would like your opinion. Some people strongly prefer reading physical, printed books because they like the feel of paper, while others prefer the convenience of digital ebooks or audiobooks. Which do you personally prefer, and what are your main reasons for that choice? One last question. Do you think schools or workplaces should require everyone to spend time reading for pleasure, perhaps by setting aside a dedicated hour each week for silent reading? Why or why not?